Hello, algebra students. Today I'm going to talk to you about naming polynomial functions. First of all, what is a polynomial? Well, an informal definition would be positive integer powers of x added or subtracted and nothing more. That's the most simple definition. So some examples. Here are some examples. We have positive exponents. Here the exponent is 2. Here the exponent of x is 1. And we have these terms added or subtracted together. Positive exponent 4, positive exponent 1, added or subtracted together. These are all examples. These are not examples because notice square root, that's the power of 1/2, that's not a positive integer. Absolute value, that's not a polynomial. Negative power, not a polynomial. So ask yourself, and just take a quick poll of yourself, is this a polynomial? Yep, it fits the definition. Positive integer exponents at terms added or subtracted together. Now, what is the degree of a polynomial? The degree of a polynomial is the highest power that appears on that polynomial. So let's practice. Pause the video and ask yourself what the degree is of each of these polynomials, and then press play for the solution. Here the degree is, here's 2, 1, 2 is the biggest. Here, the highest power on any variable is 4. Highest power on any variable, if you don't see it, it's implied that it's 1. The highest power on any variable, 8. The highest power on any variable here, 4. And that is significant because we categorize polynomials based on their degree. So if the polynomial has degree 0, remember, anything to the 0 power is just the number 1. So if x was to the 0 power, it would just be the number 1. You wouldn't even see that variable. So that's called a constant. A linear function is when the highest power on your variable is 1. Quadratic function, a quadratic polynomial is when the highest power on your variable is 2. A cubic polynomial is when the highest power on any variable is 3. Quartic, highest power on any variable is 4, and quintic, the highest power or the degree of the polynomial is 5. So now, pause the video, ask yourself what the degree is, and then name the type of polynomial based on that degree. And then press play for the solution. We see here the highest power we see is 2. And so we realize that's got to be a quadratic. Here we've got degree 4, quartic polynomial. Here degree 1, linear. And here we have degree 8, which doesn't have a special name, so we could just say it's degree 8. And here we see the highest guy is 4, and so we realize that's a quartic. So pause the video and answer these questions, and then press play for the solution. The degree, 3. How would you name it based on its degree? Cubic. All right, another way we can name or categorize polynomials is by how many terms they have. So notice here's 1, 2, 3 terms. 1, 2 terms. 1, 2 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. And 1, 2, 3, 3 terms. And of course, we can also name it. If there's 1 term, we say it's a monomial. 2 terms, binomial. 3 terms, trinomial. Anything else, we can just say polynomial with that many terms. So now let's practice this. Pause, practice on your own paper, and then press play for the solution. 3 terms, trinomial. 2 terms, binomial. 2 terms, binomial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. We can just say no special thing. You could just say it's a polynomial with 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, trinomial. So we just have special names for monomial, 1 term, binomial, 2 terms, or trinomial. So pause and ask yourself these two questions. How many terms? 2. What will we name it based on that? Binomial. How about this one? Pause and write what we could call this polynomial. Pause, write it on your own paper, and then press play. The degree is 4, so quartic. How many terms? 2, so it's a quartic binomial. And that is how you would name polynomials. And I'll leave you with these cute puppies and wish you a great day.